Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Market had a push there. I think it would be of the news at an 8.5. Nice push, come back. Market open at this level here at 420. Come back nicely. Nice retest of the opening print level there after grabbing this first high there. Nice low side. And then as well another retest here afterwards on this area. That's a beautiful retest here, with also VWAP helping there on pushing down the price. So for the moment, very bearish. Another little retest here, but I will see. This is like, I believe this is a mirror retest. Looking at it, if it wants to come back, would be amazing. If not, let's evaluate what wants to play. We're gonna wait and see the best scenario for us. For the moment, it's really selling. Let's see the daily candle. Daily candle grabbed already the previous day's high. Already took the previous day's low. So the previous candle are high and low were already taken. Next low of the previous days is this 25,000 if it wants to cut that to get there. Let's go back, see the 1 hour chart. Our chart, oof, they grabbed these highs very nicely, like we said in the daily chart. Oh, this low as well. This low is nice because this low, after grabbing, pushed high. This is another low we can put there as a possible target if we get a short or stuff like that. Hello, Nick. Good morning. Is this low? I guess this is pre-market low. Yeah, this is pre-market low. Let's go back to 1 hour chart and see if we get something. For the moment, nothing. It's just selling off. So we wait and evaluate the situation. How are you guys? Hope you're doing well, Nick. You're doing well. Nick, when are you starting the new job? It should be soon, right? Border, yeah, right now there is just nothing. You should start soon, right? Next Thursday. Next Thursday. 6 weeks. Yeah. So yeah, it's a long time training. All the things inside, all the security shit, all the safety, whatever. If the plane crashes here, if the plane crashes here, if the plane does this, if the plane does that. I have a friend that worked for Emirates, and she showed me the training. So interesting, on the water, not in the water. Yeah, I guess during. Yeah, I guess during the training will be a bit difficult because it's especially if they do it like, 9 in the morning to 5 p.m. every day. Probably the first 6 weeks you're not gonna have that much time until you start working. You already? Wait, you already started the training. Oh, you mean? Okay. Okay, gotcha, understood. Crazy. Yeah, good chance you're gonna do more. Did you do like a safety exit from an airplane during water? If not, then I'm sure you will have to do it because I saw my friend doing this training there. So interesting. So funny that statistically that to happen is like almost nothing. As we're selling off, we're not getting for the moment our chance to get in the short. The only short was maybe this short here, opening print level retest, or this quick retest with VWAP here. But I mean, it was after I connected, so no issue on that. But yeah, the only things. But right now we're literally making bigger candle to the selling side. Send me Discord. Like, if it's not a naked picture of you, I'm fine. Sellers. This is your setups. These are your setups. I like them. Yesterday, I mean, now we don't have any. Yesterday it looked choppy, no? Or market open here. We push lower. We grab this low. That's what that's what you mean here. Yeah, 10:35 shorts. 35. Give me a moment. 10:35 shorts. You mean this one? Fake push flag. If that's what you mean. But what is your take profit here? What is your take profit? You shorted at the break, I guess, somewhere here. What is your take profit? Stop loss here. Stop take profit where? Take profit where? What is your take profit? The next low. So very quick short to here. $11.20. This high is here. Leg. And you took a short here. And you looked for this low. Yeah, because this is like, because it even after taking this highs, you come back here, it created another opportunity. So good morning, Mufti. Morning, guys. Morning, Mufti. No trades yet for me, guys. No trades yet. Pre-market low. We're just tagged right now, guys. 101. Morning, guys. We're gonna wait and see what he wants to do. He wants to give us an opportunity. Not. We are in chill. Where's my phone? Phone is here. Sup? Hey, Jose is back. Hello, vehicle enthusiastic. Morning. Sup. Where have you been, Jose? Where have you been, vehicle enthusiastic as well? Now we're at the pre-market lows. Let's see what he wants to do. I think yesterday I would have probably taken a loss yesterday. I'm not sure, to be honest. Maybe. I will start trading somewhere at 10 a.m., 10:15. No support, just fake out. The only thing is I was gonna maybe look at the shorts, like Nick said. Back to Eval again after payout. If I was in your position, I wish. I'm happy with my PA, my only PA. 1 PA per time. Until I don't get payout with this 1 PA, I'm not gonna activate the others. Leave them there. Oh, look at that. Little grab of the lows, starting to close above. Grab of the lows here. Let's see. It's gonna be this a little fake out. Maybe these things start to push. I'm not gonna enter long, but let's see if these things is gonna maybe try to go above. Give us a nice little push. Remember the day I YOLO the account got liquidated, market went up? Yeah, I remember that. You went hard, you got stopped out, and then it turns to like massive profit. Yeah, it's a good moment to step back in these cases. Still selling off there. Yeah, for the moment, nothing, guys. Yeah, it's sold off all the news. And the news here at NR, beautiful push, everyone happy, and market just open, skyrocket, grab these highs, and just start to sell off again. Nice opportunity, I guess, during the sell, the first initial sell here, but right now, no for us. I'm gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Oh, okay, we're selling again there. Maybe we can get a retest of these pre-market lows. Ronit Zog, what's up? What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Seems like we are more people in the chat than what viewers we have. Welcome back, guys. Next week, I'm back home in France for a month. And there I will start making videos again for YouTube. I need to make a lot of tutorials. Is it gonna give us a retest? It's a bit aggressive, but hopefully we can get a nice short here. Sellers are still in control. Looking to sit back at this area. But you know, people, I went long a few days ago. People in the chat were telling me, hold Hold for dear life. Hold. And long, long. What a beautiful trade, by the way. After the lows here, breaker retest. Took long, added. Took most of the profit from this entry here. What a beautiful trade there, by the way. How much was the risk reward? I was risking these lows, and I made these. That's a 1 to 2 risk reward. Beautiful trade. Then I grabbed here, and it will still continue high. Life, it's not easy. Oh, guys, we're still selling off. We're still selling off. Still selling off. Looking to have a short, but I wish to get a bounce somewhere here at 150s. Very far away from VWAP. Wait, where's my daily VWAP? Piece of crap. Yes, keep it there. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing. This is 50 points. Wow. Market is still moving a lot. Gold there selling as well. Oh, gold chart looks like a Bitcoin chart with spikes. And Bitcoin, yeah, dropping down again, 66,000. I'm looking just for a quick bounce there at this retest of the pre-market lows. Papa Ute, Papa Ute. Ute. Come on. Give us something, market. Give us something. We've been here for 15-20 minutes. Nothing happened and just selling off. What's up, Matt? How are you? Someone is alive in the chat. Someone is alive. We still can trade gold? No, not for the moment. For what I know, no. No, and no news about that. By the way, I'm in vacation this week, so nicely not working for 1 week. It feels good. Now I'm in República Dominicana, hermano, hermano, soy República Dominicana, hermano. I don't know if I learned some Brazilians because I've been always mixing it with Spanish and Italian, that I'm not sure I've been doing the right things there. Not really sure. But the last day, Sunday I'm flying back. Sunday I'm flying back to Europe to spend time with family and everything. Yeah. Sunday, I never flew business class, and hopefully in this flight I will go to the desk and ask them how much is the upgrade. Usually it's the cheapest place to ask is at the check-in. Quick question, go ask me. Are you gay? I'm not sure about that, my friend. You have to check for yourself there. Believe in what you believe. Yeah, it's cheapest cabin crew, but I think it changes by airlines, right? So maybe I should check with this airline. How much more do you think you spend traveling the world in comparison if you rented an apartment in Italy? It really depends on the lifestyle you want, right? It really depends on the lifestyle you want. I travel cheap. Not cheap as before because I work, so my job compensates a lot. But let's say, for example, for me, for example, I travel a little bit. I take my private room most of the time or private apartment because I need privacy to do my live stream. That's one thing, right? But if you didn't need to do live stream and you're thinking just to travel cheap, hostel, eating and traveling, you can travel for, let's say, $1,200 per month in countries that allows you to do that. Of course, I'm not telling you go to the States and travel with 1,000, but if you go to Southeast Asia and go to Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and stuff like that, easily you're not gonna spend more than 1,200 if you want. It's all, and everything depends on the lifestyle you look for. If you look for a fancy lifestyle, then you everywhere around the world you're gonna get your bit on expense. But to be honest, for how I travel, yes, I spend more than what I would spend in France with renting and everything, but it's not much more. Do you have a portable? Yes, my friend. Let me show you. I'm gonna make a mess. Let me show if I'm able to show it to you because it's working right now. It's connected. Let's see. Whoa, that's it. That's my portable screen. Oh, freaking yes. Portable double screen. I usually get Airbnb. I mix Airbnb, hostels. I love hostels. I love hostels with private rooms because that give you a combination of privacy and as well socializing. For me, that is the best. If you don't care about the private room, hostels are the best. Hands down, hostels are the best. Yes, and one portable that is closing, that is 2 screens. Yes, I have 3 screens in front of me, and the portable one do not take much space. Honestly, very little space. It's like another little compact laptop. This This is compact, my friend. This is very compact. I love it. It really changed my working and traveling, my friend. It really did. No, I'm not looking to settle down for a long time. I'm happy with my life right now, traveling around the world. I might take a short, guys, here. Maybe it's a little bit on this retest area. I'm gonna wait a second, and then maybe we take a short. Waiting to get out from here. Can you send me a link for the one you have? Yes, I can send you a link, but honestly, the one I bought, it's the mini Chinese version there is in Amazon. Yes, I will send it to you later. If I don't, remind me. But I love it. I met one in Bali that had this screen, and I was like, and he was editing videos, and I was like, wow, you're editing video, top screen here, top double screen, and your PC. I was like, yo, you're killing it. I was like, that's amazing. So yeah, I think yeah, double screen, portable like this, compact, best. Some people like only one portable screen. They put it on top of the laptop with a stick to hold it. That's one way. If you like only two screens, that works very well too. For me, 3 screens allows me to have my, for example, my OBS here on the left. I'm checking my settings and everything. My main screen on the top, where the main chart that you see here, where I'm trading, and on the bottom I have multiple time frame charts. I have the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, ES chart. And I spend, I think, $250 for it. But now for sure they're even cheaper. Just trying to go above there, this resistance, looking if we get a short opportunity or not. Or this is gonna be the bounce of the day. Who freaking knows? All right, now it's holding. Costco, that's one way. Yeah, Nick, I know, but Nick is from UK. Oh, I always forget about that. Nick is an English boy. Nick is an English boy. Nick is outside the Europe Union. Like portable double screen will cost you right now, let me see, around, let's, for example, okay, wait, let me see this trade. Right now we're start to sell off. There are the resistance exactly. Let me get, if we start to get a bit lower here, I'm gonna start to sell. Guys. $82. Yeah, I was looking for you, then I saw this this start to sell. Double screen portable. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed by this trade, guys. Oh, there are many now. Oof, there are so many. Because they are all the same Chinese things, but they change brands during the sale. $200 one that is the same as mine. $200. in the American Amazon. So make it with the conversion, it's gonna be even cheap. 108 what? Yeah, $200 here. Like for I show you this one here. Let's go back to the trade. I'm losing money. I'm losing money. Come on, sell against this resistance. Sell. Piece of crap, sell. Might flatten it. If I don't see this holding. It looks a beautiful stop out coming there. It looks a beautiful stop out. By the way, I entered with only 2 micros. This market is moving big because this is $250 loss. Let's see. I'm out, guys. Calling it out there. Breaker test here. Did not work out. Now you see that it's gonna go lower, but it's okay. $226. We give back. Ah, freaking hand. But if you travel and you want to work online and travel, and you are a multitasking guy, like you need to be multitasking, yes, a portable screen is needed. For me, I cannot work on a singular laptop screen. I cannot. I've seen people do that. I cannot. Really, for me, it becomes so hard. Every time I have to switch between the screens and stuff like that, I like to see one screen do something and another screen looking at something else. As a previous developer, you know, I like to have the area where I write code and the area where I check Stack Overflow, the area where now you will ask ChatGPT instead of Stack Overflow, but Do you only trade futures? Yes. Do you see that CME this summer will add stock futures? That's gonna be interesting, guys. Stock futures from this summer. Ah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun for all us gambler addicted. It's gonna be fun. You are looking for fire there. Imagine trading Tesla, Amazon, Apple, all these main stocks on the future. It's gonna be crazy, right? Yeah, trader, yeah. I mean, I'm sure if CME adds them, I'm sure prop firms will do that the same as well. Because if they don't add them, it will be like a loss of customers. If one prop firms manage to add them, definitely all the other prop firms will follow up. I'm like 100% sure they will do that. It's gonna take. This is gonna steal. Imagine stock futures. Stock futures is the only things, or stock trading on the future side is the only things that many people were, I believe, were still using normal brokerage and not prop firms. The moment prop firms will take also this, freaking hell, this is insane. That's gonna be fun, eh? That's like a stock option, but futures, wow. Yeah, yeah, with that leverage and everything. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Very low liquidity. I mean, I believe I'm gonna say most of the stocks will. I'm gonna say that they will start definitely with the main one. Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Google. They will start with these main stocks. Top 50, top 100. I'm going to. That's a good question, Kev Trader. Because on singular stock you have more volatility. That's good. But also I think it's like not constant volatility, right? Because silver has been like this for the last month. So they were like, okay, if it was like 2, 3, 4 days, good. But now silver is gone up 6, 7% every freaking day. Today is up 3.224%, but silver was up from the opening of yesterday was up 8%, and it gave back half of it. I mean, I think they will, and always it's gonna be probably mini and micros of it, micros Tesla, micro Nvidia. That's gonna be interesting. NQ doing a breaking retest of this level. Stop me out, come back, retest, pushing higher. For the moment, not easy place to trade. Oh. When is Tradovate lookout future coming? I don't know, because they spoke about it in their main social networks. They were like, lookout future coming soon. Then never came. I guess they got busy with the system, crashed twice in the last 2 weeks. That they were like, okay, let's fix this first before going to something else more. Yeah, WealthCharts did the lookout future 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and I put a video about it. WealthCharts did it. Rithmic has it, I believe, done for the day they have it. It's only Tradovate. I use Starlink. No, I use the Wi-Fi from the Airbnb where I'm staying. I'm in Repubblica Dominicana. Oh, they have good internet here, I believe. Sometimes no, but yeah, the weather sucks, man. I got really unlucky days, to be honest. I got really unlucky days where weather was horrible against me, but It's wicking up right now there. It's wicking up again. Discretionary, I would say mostly. Breaker retest. I like breaker retest. Breaker. I took this breaker retest here. If there is a breaker test and a liquidity grab, even better. Like this trade I took 2 days ago was the best trade. What is it? Here, breaker test of this level, plus it grabbed the lows, was a beautiful trade there. Now I'm looking if what it wants to do. Right now, it grabbed these highs here, and it's starting to break this trend line a little bit there. So it's start to look more start selling off. Yeah, she wants. It looks like it wants to come to the lows. I might try it again, huh? I might try it again, guys. I'm gonna try it again. 2 contracts. Maybe I get cooked. Maybe not. Maybe I get cooked. Maybe not. Maybe I don't get cooked, and I will be happy to be here with you guys. Maybe I lose $500, around 600 if I lose this trade. Should be good. Let's see. Have trader. Let's see. Happy to add to this short if it shows some selling pressure, especially below this area here. If this one is a losing trade, then I'm gonna call it a day. I mean, I'm gonna call it a day no matter what. Let's wait. Dump it. Dump it. We need a nice acceleration to release this 150. Come on. Market, sell off. Sell off, market, sell off. If this is a loss, I will call it a day. And we close the live stream. And it's gonna be a loss. Look at that. You know what I'm looking at right now? When it did happen this, I was like, is this a fake out? And this is gonna be like grabbing these lows and pushing higher. I was thinking about that. And I was like, oh, maybe it's gonna stop. It's gonna get me that. But let's see. I'm gonna leave it there. Stop out is there. Take profit is there. We'll see you. Maybe we're gonna call it with a $550 loss on the day. And it's looking like that. Bounced really strong. It looked like that, guys. I was looking at this low. I was like, okay, maybe it grabbed, but it's a good trade either way. That's the way to look into it. I'm happy with the trade. I'm looking if where I could have done better, but this one used it again as a breaker at a stop out. I'm gonna flatten everything, and it looked like it came here, grabbed these lows, retested this area again to push again against the VWAP. So that was the opportunity there to grab along after, after this buying coming back in pressure. But it's okay. Some learning pressure, some learning lesson here. Nice shorts before, then I tried shorting again, but the market just reverted on me. Beautiful. It could have been a beautiful long here, but yeah, the first one here, the second one here was like fine, but I think I could have done better. Guys, have a beautiful day. I'm gonna go and enjoy my sunny day. For the rest, guys, 80% is still with WePix. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.